Hi friends, today's lesson is from Module 1, Lesson 23. Our learning goal for today says, I can draw and count 9. We can count all the way to 9? Oh my goodness! We must be getting very good at counting if we can go all the way up to 9. Okay, I love to go see the fall leaves in autumn. I love when the leaves change color and they fall to the ground. So I thought I would bring in some falling leaves to help us practice counting all the way to 9. You should know, Miss Arwood lives in Florida, so I don't get to see leaves a lot, so I'm very excited. Do you get to see falling leaves at your house or on vacation? Oh, perfect. So you're going to be really good at helping me count these. All right, so here we go. As we see a leaf, let's go ahead and count up to 9. Are you ready? All right, I want some good, confident counting. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Excellent counting, friends. You did such a great job. On the count of 3, give yourself one big super clap. 1, 2, 3. Awesome job. All right, so that's how you count all the way from 1 to 9. I want you to practice. Go ahead and press pause. I want you to tap on each leaf and count from 1 all the way to 9. Press play when you're done. Okay, did you do your good counting? Excellent. All right, so here we go. Let's go ahead. Now that we know all about counting from 1 to 9, let's see what 9 looks like. Hey, that's 9. I love 9 because he has a nice long stick and a big bubble head at the top. If I was going to use my little frame, you'll notice my dot where I'm going to begin starts over on the other side. I wanted to put the number there first so you could see, oh, if I'm going to draw it, I'm going to start on this side. So watch. I'm going to do a circle and then a stick going straight down. Let's go ahead. Let's get our good fingers. Let's start it up in the air on the other side than we normally do. Let's go ahead and draw a big circle and then a stick straight down. Perfect. Let's do it again, and this time, let's make our stick land on our table or our desk. Ready? Start at that dot on the right-hand side. Okay, a big circle, and then straight down to your desk or your table. Good job. Let's do one more. Circle, and then straight down to your desk. Excellent job. I think you're going to do a really nice job at 9. I think the trickiest part about making a perfect 9 is that good, nice, long stick. Because if it's too short, he kind of looks like an A. So make sure it's nice and long. All right, friends, let's go ahead. I'm going to let you count. I'm going to put some cans on the shelf. You count and tell me how many there are. How about if we get to 9, we'll say stop. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, hey, thanks for yelling stop. Perfect. There's 9 cans on the shelf. Ooh, do you know what I notice? This kind of looks like an array a little bit. Like if this was one row and that was the other row. How many do you see on the top row then, friends? Hey, yeah, there's a hidden 5 in there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like in the 5 groups in the arrays that I like to make. Do you like to make it like that? Oh, of course you do, because it's organized. Hey, that's cool. We can even see that 5 group and then 1, 2, 3, 4 more as the other part of 9. That's good observations. I love it. Okay, perfect. Our learning goal said I can draw and count 9. You did both of those beautifully today when we were practicing. Okay, for your learning goal, this is what I would like to do. Or sorry, for your exit ticket. Sorry, my bad. For your exit ticket, I want you to go ahead and count these cans, and then I want you to draw the answer nice and big over here or on your dry erase board before I throw all those cans in the recycling bin. Okay? So I need you to draw the number 9, if that's how many you count, and then send me a good picture of it. Okay? All right, good luck, friends.